Ayun, sabi ni Tita Lucy, sayang walang TV ngayon. Paano ba magka-TV? Kasi nga dun sa kanilang ASAP teaser. Ni Maymay, ni Edward, walang nilagay. Ang nilagay ay si Beanie, si James Reid, at saka si Sarah Geronimo. So, ipakita ko yun sa inyo mga kaibigan para malaman nyo na wala talaga sa teaser. Kung kaya hindi ako nakapag-post kahapon sa aking YouTube channel. Kasi parang hindi ako na-inspire to bring update yesterday. Kung makita nyo, wala akong update yesterday. I was like so upset. Like, I was disappointed. O, wala si Maymay at saka si Edward. I was thinking na, naapektuhan sila doon sa last week's na pingutan at tulakan na blues ng ni Maymay at saka ni Belle at saka ni Donnie, na to the extent na the fandom of Belle, Donnie, and Maymay and Flyers, even Flyers and Maiden Shippers were in. Talagang pinag-usapan ng ilang araw yun, halos isang linggo, and even now they are still giving comments to Maymay and Trata, and that Maymay was so unprofessional back then. But yes, mga kaibigan, we are so shocked even this morning when I opened my social media and I saw them together both in one frame. I was like, oh my god, why I didn't do it yesterday? Why I didn't post the teaser of ABS-CBN, especially yung ASAP. But then yes, here we are again. Where? Nabulol na ako. Here we are again. We're so happy as to what happened today in ASAP. And having this very thingy, Maymay and Edward silang dalawa lang. And look at how they spilled together. Just the two of them. No Kuya Robbie, no Belle, no Tony, no Darren. As for Edward John Barber. Kung sana in-extend ito ng konti, maganda. May pahabain mo na kasi ulit yung hair mo. Kaya tuloy tinali mo ngayon. I want it longer. But then yes, ito na tayo, Maymay and Edward together in one frame. Just the two of them during ASAP time, spill time. Let's go.
At kasi sa masayang
Yo! Welcome back to ASAP! Ay, Maymay. Wala si Robbie, wala si Donnie, wala si Darren, wala si Belle. Tayo lang. Kumusta yung last year mo? Okay naman?
okay naman.
Okay naman. Kasi alam ko, every year, at lalo na pag ganitong time na sabik lahat magkwento tungkol sa mga pinagdaanan nila nung, this year.
Nung taon.
Yes,
Ngayon,
nung taon.
ngayon. Oo.
This year. Tama.
Bukod kasi sa masayang mag-throwback ng memories, opportunity rin po ito para makapag-reflect at matuto po tayo sa important lessons.
Wow, life lessons.
Life
Hindi lang lessons,
lessons.
life lessons. Kaya naman, ngayong Pasko, sa ASA, pakijoin na rin sa mapuso nating kwentuhan na meron ding inspiring kantahan.
Wow.
Our stories are ready to shine together with our ASAP OPM icons. Merry Christmas, everyone! Yo! Welcome back to ASAP!
Yun, I like that. When they are like trying to bring back the old themselves. Yung, paano ko sasabihin to? Yung open na sila muli na they're allowed to talk about the past, but then they're too careful enough to not to bring whatever issue that happened way back then, like many years ago. And then they're just in here talking about life lessons na talagang with emphasis. Ayun, hinarap si Edward with life lessons, diba? So, it's just kind of too much comfortable na po talaga sila, mga kaibigan. And they are allowed to do this again. And that seeing them together like that, without hesitations, they're doing the spill, and then they're not awkward to each other. And they are just like, okay, walang KJ, ito, trabaho lang to. And then makita mo talaga yung eye-to-eye contact nila, and wala na yung awkward feeling, na talagang silang-sila na talaga. Ang kulang na lang talaga ay yung official announcement ng ASAP na ibigay sila muli sa atin, mga kaibigan. So yan po ang hanap natin. My Mayward, nakakagalak lang kayong pagmasdan, ang sabi ni Chrissy. And so nangihinayan si Tita Lucy Hugot kung bakit walang TP time this day. Kasi nga po, eto na, ibinibigay na sa atin, ibinabalik na sa atin. Okay, sabi ni Bingkay, always so thoughtful at siya ang yung number 1 fan talaga ni Maymay mula simula hanggang ngayon. Sabi dito, Edward is so sweet, di talaga pwedeng hindi niya banggitin si Maymay. Edward, we have one more Bini, and that is Maymay, and that is Joy to the World. Kasi nga, Joy to the World, if we're gonna bring back Maymay and Edward together, and if we will let Maymay be part of Bini. Diba? Want to see this? Let's go.
We got Maloy, Aya, Colette, Sheena, Gwen, Stacy, and Joanna. We have one more. Bini Maymay.
Pasok.
Joy to...
Pwede. Of course, we know them as the
Na-late ako.
beloved Nations Girl Group. Bini!
So yes, mga kaibigan, yan po ang mga bagay na yan na talagang gustong-gusto natin kay Maymay. Kasi nga po, ang bilis ng takbo ng isip at hindi ka sabing loading, walang ganon kay Maymay. Kaagad-agad, nakakasakay sa sitwasyon na nandyan siya. Nandyan kaagad yung presence of mind niya na talagang alam na alam niya ang gagawin. Ay, sabi niya, nahuli pala siya, kinantang Joy to the World, siya pala yung last Bini. The 9th member, pang siyam pala, hindi na 8 hanggang dulo. Kundi siyam hanggang dulo. Joke lang po. Pero number 1 fan ayan Edward John Barber, number 1 fan yan, Maymay and Tata, true po. Always siyang ganun, mula noon hanggang ngayon. Kahit nga nasa I Want Asap si Edward John Barber, he is still mentioning kami noon ni Maymay. Well, may word noon, ganun. Always sweet time pag si Edward mentioning Maymay, yung parang medyo parang grabe, Edward, you never change at all, and you are always Edward, the same Edward before, na really admired Maymay's personality and Maymay's kakikayan, and that hindi nawala yan sa'yo. And joy din namin yan, Edward. Kung yan ay joy to the world mo, joy to the world rin namin yan. So yes, we want them back so badly, ABS-CBN. We really love them. Doti, Edward Barber, yung mang-aasar sa una, pero sa huli lalambingin ka. Fan kulitan with Edward John Barber. Parang itong si Doti, every Sunday, nasa ASAP. Siguro allowed lang silang pabalik-balik all the time sa ASAP. Lalo na't alam naman ng ABS-CBN, even Ruby Domingo knew na talagang ito si Doti ay die-hard fan ng isang Edward John Barber. This is the Edward John Barber time with fans, mga kaibigan. Let's go. Yan Edward Barber. Ang kulit mo Sana nandyan din si Maymay para dalawa sila together nakipagkulitan sa mga fans o studio audience na nandiyan kanina sa ASAP. I know this is a pre-recorded one and this is not a live show ng ABS-CBN. Pero yes, it is so nice to see them back together sa ABS-CBN. At makita yung kulitan nilang muli. This is Alexander Lexter Jules. Yan muna ang ating update. Sabi ni Bingka, yung pagod na pagod ka sa kusina pag bisita mo sa Ibon, yung dalawa makikita mo, tanggal ang pagod na nadarama. Maymay and #MyWord comeback na ba kaming abangan? May comeback na ba daw silang aabangan? At ASAP official please, isang prod naman sa kanila, pamasko nyo sa amin. Sabi yan ni Bingkay. Ako, sabi naman ni Desa, kay kuha ng video nila pero di ko na hinihinto. Gusto ko ma-enjoy ko panoorin sila. So kung kaya, imbis na mag-screen record si Desa, ay nanood na lang siya ng nanood dahil sa gustong-gusto niyang mapanood sila together sa one screen. So yes, that's our latest. We will bring you more update dito lang sa ating channel na nagmamahal kay Maymay at kay Edward. This is Alexander Lexter Jules. Good morning, us.